distribution. They were sending loads to Mexico, to, remember General Noriega in Panama, Gustavo Gaviria, like I said, Pablo's cousin was the one. They did a lot through the Caribbean, especially they did a lot through Haiti. This is in the mid-'80s, and they had a famous contact in Haiti. In fact, the president of Haiti, Jean-Bertrand Aristide, was a drug trafficker.
Vous suivez
in fact,
Micro
Aristide was
Vérité.
receiving a lot of loads from Pablo Escobar. And Steve and I are in Miami, and we're getting ready to indict Aristide when we get the call from, I'm going to say it, I'm retired, so I don't care, you know. We get a call from the White House that says you will not be indicting President Aristide. I'm not going to mention who the president was during this time.
Wait, why not?
Steve, you're the one. Okay, you get in trouble. Man.
Okay, I won't tell you the name of the president, but his wife might have run for office in the United States recently. You figure it out.
He said it, I did not, so.